Good morning and welcome you all in your favorite YouTube channel Primary के पंख. I am Tarkeshwar Pandey and I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to know about some question answers from our chapter Nasruddin's Aim. So today we will discuss about question answers under the heading Let's Play. So know about question number 1. Fill in the grid with words given below. You can use one word more than once. Once again, I want to repeat this question. Fill in the grid with words given below. You can use one word more than once. Here some words are given: stick, bat ball, 11, table, racket, ball, stadium, football, 2 to 4, and ground. We have also given a grid. In this grid there are many rows and columns. In first column it is given name of the game. In second column we have to write what you play with. In third column we have to write where you play it. And in fourth column we have to write number of players. It means in second column you have to write the instrument which are used for playing the game. In third column you have to write the place where this game is played. And fourth column you have to write the number of players in each side of the game. So now know about cricket. Cricket. What you play with? Bat ball is the correct answer here. Bat ball. Where you play it? Stadium is the correct answer here. So you can fill here stadium. Number of players? Number of players in cricket is 11. So 11 is the correct answer. Now know once again. Cricket, bat ball, stadium, 11. Next game is hockey. In hockey, what you play with? Stick. Stick is the correct answer. Where you play it? Ground. Hockey is played in ground. Number of players? 11. There are 11 players in hockey. So the correct answer will be hockey, stick, ground, 16. Next game is table tennis. What you play with? Racket. Where you play it? Table. Number of players? 2 to 4. So now once again know about table tennis. Table tennis, racket, table, 2 to 4. Now know about football. Football. What you play with? Football. Where you play it? Ground. Number of players? 11. So now know again football, ground, and 11. Now know about question number 2. Using the information in the grid, write a sentence about each game. One has been done for you. Once again, using the information in the grid, write a sentence about each game. One has been done for you. Now look at the example given here. In number A, cricket is an outdoor game. We play it with a bat and a ball. There are 11 players in this game. So like this, you have to write about hockey, table tennis, and football. In first sentence, you have to write that this game is indoor or outdoor. In second sentence, you have to write the instruments of the game. And in third sentence, you have to write the number of players in each side of the game. So now know about hockey. Hockey is an outdoor game. We play it with a stick. There are 11 players in this game. Once again, hockey is an outdoor game. We play it with a stick. There are 11 players in this game. Next is table tennis. Table tennis is an indoor game. We play it on a table with a racket. There are 2 to 4 players in this game. Once again, table tennis is an indoor game. We play it on a table with a racket. There are 2 to 4 players in this game. Now know about football. Football is an outdoor game. We play it with a football. There are 11 players in this game. Once again, football is an outdoor game. We play it with a football. There are 11 players in this game. Okay. Now question number 3. The following words are used in various sports. List them under the sport that they are used in. Once again, the following words are used in various sports. List them under the sport that they are used in. Some words related to sports are given here. Googly, goal, LBW, penalty, free kick, penalty corner. Some words may be used in more than one game. It means we can use some words in more than one game. So now know about these words and game. First of all, know about hockey. In hockey, we can put some words from the given list. Free kick, penalty, corner. Once again, free kick, penalty, corner. These words are used in hockey. Now know about cricket. In cricket, LBW and googly, these 2 words are used in cricket. LBW and googly. The full form of LBW is leg before wicket. Leg before wicket. You can also say leg behind wicket. Okay. Now know about football. Some words are also related to football, and here 2 words are related to football. Number 1 is goal and number 2 is penalty. Number 1 is goal and number 2 is penalty. Okay. So that's all for today. We will meet shortly in the next video. So for the time, I want to wish you all have a nice day. Goodbye.